A 63-year-old man with controlled diabetes develops neck pain. It spreads to his shoulders, then to his arm. What appears to be simple muscle pain is actually something deeper, a degenerative spinal condition known as cervical spondylosis. Most people over 40 already have some degree of cervical spondylosis, many just don't know it yet. What is cervical spondylosis? Cervical spondylosis refers to age-related wear and tear affecting the spinal discs, joints, and bones in the neck. Over time, discs lose hydration. Vertebrae develop bone spurs. Joint spaces narrow. This leads to stiffness, pain, and sometimes nerve compression. In this patient, age 63. Symptoms: progression, neck, shoulders, arm. Underlying condition, degenerative spine changes. This is a textbook progression of cervical spondylosis evolving into nerve irritation. Why it happens? 1. Natural aging. 2. Repetitive stress. 3. Poor posture. 4. Sedentary lifestyle. Even without injury, daily habits gradually degrade spinal structures. Symptoms: neck stiffness, reduced range of motion, shoulder tightness, headaches, often from neck origin, radiating arm pain, if nerves involved. Not all spondylosis causes symptoms. But when it does, it signals mechanical instability or nerve involvement. Treatment strategy: conservative first approach. 1. Medication, short-term only. Pain relievers and anti-inflammatory drugs. 2. Physiotherapy, core treatment. Restores movement and reduces compression. 3. Posture correction, most critical. Prevents progression. 4. Lifestyle modification. Long-term solution. Role of physiotherapy. Key exercises include chin tucks, neck isometric strengthening, shoulder mobility drills, postural correction against wall. Consistency is more important than intensity. What not to do: avoid high pillows. Avoid sudden neck movements. Avoid long screen exposure without breaks. Avoid self-prescribed long-term painkillers. Young generation, early warning. Cervical spondylosis is appearing in people as young as 25. Primary reasons: text neck from smartphone usage, remote work ergonomics, lack of physical conditioning, chronic forward head posture. Preventive strategy for youth. 1. Ergonomic setup. Chair height, screen alignment, lumbar support. 2. Daily movement rule. At least 30 minutes of physical activity. 3. Micro-break protocol. Break every 30 minutes. 4. Strengthening routine. Neck and upper back strengthening 5 to 10 minutes daily.
Important medical disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Consult a licensed healthcare provider for diagnosis and treatment.
When imaging is needed. Persistent pain beyond 2 to 3 weeks. Neurological symptoms. Suspected nerve compression. X-ray shows degeneration, MRI confirms nerve involvement. Cervical spondylosis cannot be reversed, but it can be managed effectively. With proper care, pain can be minimized. Function can be restored. Progression can be slowed significantly. In this patient, early recognition and conservative management can lead to near-complete recovery within weeks. Your spine reflects your habits. What you do daily, posture, movement, screen use, determines whether your neck ages gracefully or degenerates prematurely. Don't wait for pain to fix your posture to prevent pain. Protect your spine. It carries your life.